In this video, we're going to be talking about assignment operator. First of all, let's create a variable. I'm going to say number, and I'm going to assign the value 10 to that. Number is equal to 10. This number is our variable, and this 10 is value of this variable, and this equal sign is the assignment operator. In mathematics, this is equal sign, but in programming languages, this is a assignment operator. So if I print this number, it will output in the terminal number 10. So here I'm going to say print. Inside that, I'm going to say number. Save it, run it. There you go, it printed 10. But also I can say number is equal to 10 plus, for example, 2. I'm going to assign this 10 plus 2 to this number, and the output will be 12. It printed 12. So, or I can say I'm going to delete this number 2. Here I'm going to say number is equal to number plus 2. This also will output the number 12 in the terminal. Save it. Let's print 12 in the terminal. We said that this number variable will be equal to number will be equal to itself and plus 2, and it will output 12. But it has also a short form. I can say number, and before assignment operator, I'm going to say plus. It will be number plus equal to 2. The output will be the same. Let's save it, run it. Also, it printed 12. This is the shortened form of number is equal to number plus 2. Also, we have another assignment operator, number minus equal. It means that number is equal to number minus 2, and the output will be 8. Save it, run it, it printed 8. Or we can say multiply. Number is star equal to 2. It will multiply 10 by 2. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Save it, it printed 20 in the terminal. Or we can say double star. Number double star equal to 2. Double star means power. It means number is equal to number to the power of 2. It will raise this 10 to the power of 2, and the output will be 100. Let's save it. There you go, it outputted 100. So another assignment operator is a slash. It means that we will divide 10 by 2. Number is equal to number divided by 2. The output will be 5. Let's save it, run it. It printed 5.0. And also we can have double slash. It will be a floor division. It will divide 10 by 2 and round it down to the nearest integer. And if I save it, it will be also 5. There you go, it printed also 5, but the previous 5 is a float, and this is an integer. If the value of number will be 11, it will be also 5, because it will round it down to the nearest integer, and 5 is the nearest integer. Run it. There you go, it printed also 5. And let's make it again 10. And the next assignment operator is modulus operator. Number percent equal to 2. It will be number is equal to number modulus 2. It will divide 10 by 2 and output the remainder. If I save it, run it, the output will be 0. There you go, it printed 0. But if the value of number will be 11, the output will be 1. It printed 1 here. So this is it about the assignment operator. See you next video, and bye for now.